Is your external component the Libomp Parallel Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish LLVM Intel links. Before we get into the technical process for Libomp Parallel Library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Libomp Parallel Library, the LLVM implementation of the OpenMP threading library. It manages task parallel workloads for C and C++ applications. It is a common dependency in modern scientific modeling and video processing tools. Missing Libomp.dll prevents the software from scaling its CPU threads, causing an immediate crash during the parallel resource allocation phase. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Libomp belongs to the Windows system core. Running sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Libomp Parallel Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Libomp Parallel Library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes Libomp Parallel Library documentation. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Libomp Parallel Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.